If your slide thumbnails on the left side of PowerPoint suddenly disappear, don't worry. This happens sometimes, and it can be confusing when you can't see your slides preview anymore. Slide thumbnails are very handy for navigating through your presentation. The good news is that bringing the thumbnail pane back is very easy. Move your cursor to the far left edge of the PowerPoint window. When the cursor changes into a left and right arrow, click and hold your mouse, then drag to the right. The slide thumbnails will reappear immediately. Once they're visible again, you can release the mouse and adjust the width however you like. In the new PowerPoint, it can be done even more easily. Just click on the thumbnail arrow icon. The slide preview will reappear immediately. You can repeat this same method anytime if the thumbnails collapse or hide again. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.